Gauze Garage coming to you from lovely Lakewood Ranch, Florida at Ponies Under the Palms, the annual show with as many Ford Mustang cars as you will ever want to see. And we're going to take a look at this black Jade beauty here. This is a Cobra Jet, 428 4-speed, and it is really nice. Very, very nice. You can see the preparation on everything is just right for stock. It's got the OK emblems on the, and even the crosshatch inspector's marks down there. And on the radiator, my box has that same X on there. Yes, yes, yes. And we're going to go around and look at all of the documentation on this car. Look at that. That's amazing. Got the 69 steering wheel. Beautiful gauge package. Sun's coming out, so it'll show you the reflectivity on this paint. This car is done very nicely. And the color combo, this black Jade, is, I'm not normally a green fan, but looking at it here in the sun, it's beautiful. I mean, really, really beautiful. And of course, you got the side scoops for 69. Except for Boss 302 cars. They removed the side scoops on 69 Boss 302s. That was a Larry Shinoda thing. And let's take a look here. Oh yeah, Metuchen car, 428. Cobra Jet, 4-speed. Came out in February. It's got a 350 track lock, 8-track stereo. Very nicely optioned. And you also have the Deluxe Marty report down here by the tire. There's your real statistics right there. So when you boil it down, due to the options and everything, it's very rare. So I had to come over and cover this one because it's kind of on the end and out of the way. That diamond in the rough in black Jade. And what a pretty car. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from lovely Lakewood Ranch at Ponies Under the Palms Car Show. Thank you.